Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel The Hustler. Today we will talk about Newton's 3 laws of emotion. Yes, you heard it right. There are 3 Newton's laws of emotions. Imagine what if I punch you in your face, what you will do. Most probably you will either punch me back or verbally abuse me. Why you will do so? Because our feeling brain is designed in a way that it always tries to equalize the moral gap that has been created between us. When I will punch you, your feeling brain will start thinking that I am superior and you are inferior, and feeling brain doesn't like that moral gap, and it tries to equalize that gap by either punching me back or verbally abusing me. This is basically the Newton's first law of emotion. For every action, there is equal and opposite reaction. The reverse of this example can also be true. For example, what if I bought you a house? What you will do in return? Maybe you will thank me in return and buy me some return gifts for me to equalize that moral gap that has been created between us. So let's come to Newton's second law. Our self-worth is equal to sum of emotions over time. Let's come back to that punching example. What if you can't punch me back, or you cannot say something about me because I have some sort of big authority, and if it persists for a long time, then your feeling brain will come to a conclusion that you deserve to get punched by me, and you are awful person, pity person, and I am superior person. Then your thinking brain will start making a story narratives for this experience, and your self-esteem, self-worth will lowers down. And the reverse of this example can also be true. For example, schools, colleges start giving gold medals to all the students who come to last position, first position, each and every one. Your self-worth will increase without actually earning it, without actually you deserving it. So this is Newton's second law. Our self-worth is equal to sum of emotions over time. We tell ourselves some stories, and if that stories persist for a long time, it creates some sort of values, and if that values persist for a long time, it makes that value more stronger, and it is very difficult to break that value. For example, you really love your mom. Your mom is really a kind and generous woman. But what if I tell you that your mom is an awful person, your mom is a very bad person? You would get angry at me. Why? Because my words that I have spoken about your mom conflict with the identity of your mom that you have created in your own mind. So that's how our beliefs, values, experiences works. When we get some sort of experience in one particular thing, our feeling brain makes a conclusion and makes a value, and that value persists for a long time. And that is the reason why childhood trauma is so bad. If some child have a bad childhood experiences, if that child has been ditched by his mom and dad, then his feeling brain will continuously make a conclusion that he deserves to be unloved. He deserves to be a pity and awful person because his mom and dad had never loved him. Because that beliefs, that experiences, that values persist in his mind since his childhood. So here comes Newton's third law, that your identity will remain your identity until a new experience occurs against it. Let's clarify it with an example. For example, there's a person who never smoked in his entire life. His identity is a non-smoker. But what if he starts smoking continuously, and that new experience of smoking has changed his identity from non-smoker to a smoker. That's how our identity changes. When some sort of new experiences occur against our identity, then that identity of a person changes. That's how communities are formed, because there's an emotional gravity. We attract to those people who have same values, and we hate those people who have different values. That's how communities are formed. So guys, these were Newton's 3 laws of emotion. In the future, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel The Hustler, comment your favorite part, and comment what you will like to see in the next video. Thank you. Stay tuned. Bye bye.